Hi there! Welcome to this sequence of video clips where we will build a complete automated test case for regression testing. We will go through 5 simple steps to complete this task. First, we will add Catalan Recorder to our Firefox browser. It's a great and stable add-on that was built exactly for the purpose to record the user's steps. After installation, we will record a full test case on an example web page. In the next step, we will import the recorded test case into baangt. This step will give us an Excel sheet that is ready for automation testing. We will add data combinations to this sheet so that our automation test case will run multiple times with different variables. In the final step, we will earn the fruits of our work by running the test case in baangt. As always, all the links are in the description of the video. So let's get started. To install Catalan Recorder, we search for it on our preferred search engine. For me, that is startpage.com. Now we click on it on the add-on store in Mozilla. And we simply say Add to Firefox. We confirm that we trust Catalan Recorder. And now we see the confirmation Catalan Recorder is installed. There is no need to create an account, but if you want to give your details to the guys over at the Catalan studio, feel free, and here you have the chance. We already completed the first part. It wasn't difficult, was it? In the next video we will use Catalan Recorder to record a test case.